Does lavender oil repel roaches? Keeping roaches out of your home does more than keep your skin from crawling. It will also keep the smelly that trail roaches leave behind out of your kitchen and away from your family. Natural repellents. While lavender oil is a natural repellent against insects, including flies and fleas, it is not usually effective against roaches. Citrus oil, peppermint oil and bay leaves repel roaches naturally. You can combine lavender oil with them to create an all-around insect repellent for your home. Use. To repel roaches from your kitchen, add a few drops of peppermint and lavender oil to a sponge and wipe down counters and the inside of cabinets. Place bay leaves inside food containers to keep roaches out. For outside your home, add a teaspoon of citrus oil and a teaspoon of lavender oil to a gallon of water and spray the exterior of your home to deter roaches and other insects. Considerations. Removing the food that attracts roaches will help keep them from your home. Storing food in airtight containers and cleaning up food messes and dirty dishes immediately will help. Caulking and sealing any cracks or holes leading into your home will also deter roaches.